Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will see the Python data types. Okay, just like other languages, Python also have the concept of data types, but like other languages, there is no such concept of data type keywords like int, float, k, double. Okay, no need to explicitly write data types. Just you have to assign values in variable. According to values, data type capture the type of space. Suppose you are going to assign integer value, then automatically the int type space will captured by the program. Okay, suppose you are going to assign string value in variable, then variable become string type. So we can say in simple words, there is a built-in data type concept in Python. So let's see built-in data types. In programming, data type is an important concept. As you know that there is a very important concept, because with the help of data type, program can capture the amount of space which is needed during the execution of program. That is why data type is very important concept. Now one more thing, variable can store data of different types, and different type can do different things. Yes, different type do different things, different type capture different kind of space. Okay, if you change the value, suppose you have taken any variable and you are going to change the value of that variable. Suppose you have assigned integer, and after that you replace the value with string, then data type will also change according to value. Python has following data types built in by default. In these categories you can understand. Suppose you want to use text, means string. In that case there is a str data type which is string. Suppose you want to use numerical values like int, float, complex values. In that case there is a int, float, complex numeric data types. Suppose you want to use sequence. Sequence means you want to make a list, you want to make tuple or range. In that case there is sequence data type. There is a mapping type, dictionary means key value format. Suppose you want to make a list in key value format, then there is a dictionary concept, dict data type. Suppose you want to make set or frozen set, then there is a set data type. Suppose you want to make true false values, boolean values, then there is a bool concept. The last one, binary data type. Suppose you want to work on bits 0 and 1, then there is a byte array, memory view, this kind of data type. And you can easily understand by this program. Suppose you have taken variable a equal to 10. Now we did not define like int, float, char. A automatically become which type of value? Integer type of, because we are assigning integer. Now b equal to high Python, because high Python is what? String. So b has become string type. Now you have assigned c equal to 10.5. It simply means c is floating type of value. So according to value, data type automatically become that kind of data type. Suppose you want to check which kind of data type particular variable is, then there is a type function. You can write this way: print type a. Then which kind of data type a has, so you will see in output int, type int. Now type b, you will see string, because b has high Python, this is string. Now again we have checked type c. C is what? 10.5, which is float, so there is float. So in this way you can understand Python has built-in data types. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can write into comment box. Thank you for watching.